Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 14.1 question number 9. Give three examples of shapes with no line of symmetry. The three examples are the three examples the three examples the three the three examples the three examples of shapes. Three examples are of shapes with no line of symmetry. The three examples are: number one is parallelogram. We have already shown in the above question. Parallelogram, and number two is, in the case of scalene triangle, and a quadrilateral, a quadrilateral, a quadrilateral, quadrilateral, quadrilateral like this. Suppose this is a quadrilateral, then we will not get a line of symmetry A, B, C, D. But for a specific quadrilateral, we get the different line of symmetry. For square, for rectangle, that's all we get. But for this quadrilateral, we will not get any line of symmetry, right? The three examples are parallelogram, scalene triangle, and quadrilateral of this type. We get no line of symmetry. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.